Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Guess what I have today? The Margot Elena. It is full of beautiful, wonderfully scented items, so let's get in here and check it out. Margot Elena is an international perfumer and designer, and on her website she sells this, and it's basically her discovery box. It introduces you to a lot of the different lines that she carries on her website. It is $59.99 per quarter. I know, it's one of the pricier ones. Plus, you pay $6.95 shipping, but I can't help it. I love it, and I have to have it every season. It is going to be chock full of beautiful things that smell fantastic, so let's get in it. I have purchased this box for, wow, probably about 2 years now, and I don't think I have ever been disappointed. Now, we have talked in the past about how quickly I do go through lotions and bath gels, so these don't even really get much of a chance to stock up on me. Some of the hand creams stick around for a little longer because I do like a lot of different hand creams. This is Autumn Enchantment. Let's put my glasses on and see what else it says. Autumn, the year's last loveliest smile. This is the Fall 2021 Margot Elena subscription box. And we have right on top just a little card, and it will just tell us about what is in the box on the inside. It doesn't give us much information about it. And when we open it up, it's protected by a nice layer of bubble wrap. And then that is what it looks like. And see how it's all wrapped up in tissue paper? Plus, it's gonna be so pretty. I can't wait. This is absolutely one of my favorite boxes to unbox. It is always so pretty. I try and avoid the spoilers. I saw a couple this season, but as a rule, it's a surprise too. So let's dig in. Unwrapped and right on top, we have the Create Beauty Violet Leaf and Jasmine Passion and Creativity a Rollerball Perfume. And this is from Infinite She. And this is, Margot Elena does Lalia and Tokyo Milk and the Cottage Greenhouse, and now she has added Infinite She. And there's actually a little card I took off the top that says Infinite She, Beauty Power Unleashed. A bold mix of irrepressible, feminine, soul-compelling fragrances and striking design. Okay, well, let's see what the striking design is, because everything else is so floral and pretty. Oh, she's gone a different way with this. That is kind of neat looking, but it's definitely a different direction for her. This is kind of, I don't know if it'll come across, it's metallic and kind of a tealy blue, and then it has the 3 stripes on top. It's definitely a different look, and you'll see that as we dig into this, and there are different looks. So it's just a roller ball. Let's see what it smells like. We're just gonna go right in. Oh, I like it. That is so pretty. It's much, I think it is much lighter than some of her other scents. We get a lot of Tokyo Milk, and I love them, don't get me wrong. Oh, we got a honey one last season. I'll link that at the end of this. That was just, I used the body wash and I still have it left. I, of course, ran right through the body wash. That is just lovely and bright. And it said it was violet and jasmine. And the paperwork tells us that it has a $28 value. I like that a lot. All right, digging in next, I'm gonna go for one of the tissue wrap pieces. And once we get out of the tissue, it is, we're not done with the tissue yet. It is also bubble wrapped. I didn't do that on purpose. They take a lot of precaution to get this to you unharmed. This is Lalia Dream White Tea and Honeysuckle Dry Body Oil. That is just very classic looking. I have had Cottage Greenhouse dry oils from them before in a different flavor, but never this one. So we're gonna see what this smells like. That's the beauty of this box, is by the time I'm done with this video, this room smells delightful. And the paperwork just tells us that it is the Dream Dry Body Oil from Lalia, and it has a $42 value. $42 value. It's huge. It does not tell me how big it is, but this is my hand. I wanna say 12 or 16 ounces. It just came out. I managed to get just a little bit. You can see it running down my hand there. Oh, it's very subtle. I was afraid, because here we are in fall, and I was thinking honeysuckle in fall. I'm not sure that's what I'm going for, but it's nice. It's just fresh and light. I don't think, and granted, we all know I'm not the best at working out scents. I don't think I could have in any way known this was honeysuckle had I not read it. It's very light and, like I said, floral. And I do say this each time I unbox this box. If you don't love florals, this is probably not the box for you, because her scents do lean toward being floral. Very nice. And I never really understand the concept of dry body oil. I mean, oil is oil, but I do feel like this is absorbing quite quickly. Next out of the box, we have a Tokyo Milk Bon Bon Shea Butter Lotion. And this is what the box looks like. So pretty. And this is number 9. That's usually to do with the flavor. And the paperwork says that it's the Kabuki Bon Bon Shea Butter Hand Cream with a $22 value. So it slides out like a drawer and stays pretty. Is it on that side too? Yes, that's on both sides. And when we take it out, that is what it looks like. So pretty. Just, it's got a real vintage look to it. I like that. We have gone back to our metal sealed hand creams. And I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to leave this sealed, but I have so many hand creams open that for now, I'm just going to assume that this smells fantastic because everything she does smells fantastic, and I'm going to leave it sealed. And this has a $22 value. So while it is a slightly pricey box, more than slightly pricey box, if you enjoy the products, you really do get your money's worth. Next out, I don't know what it is, but it's wrapped up like a present again. That's what this is. It's kind of like getting a present. Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. It is the Cottage Greenhouse Japanese Plum and White Tea Whipped Body Butter. And that is what the top looks like. And look how, I hope that comes across how big this is. It is really, it is really big. It says it's 5.5 fluid ounces. It is in glass. This is the scent where I was saying I had tried a dry body oil from them before, but it wasn't this scent. It was this scent. So I don't know if I have any left or not. I kind of hope that I do because I do love layering scents. I go through body butter so quickly. I have zero hesitation in opening this up. Oh, it smells so pretty, so fresh. It's kind of green scented, but it's, I don't want to say fruity because you don't think like bananas and apples, but it has a little bit of a fruity, it's just fresh. Does it say? Tender new leaves of white tea are plucked while plump, full of rich antioxidants, helping to defend your skin from the not so nice, damaging effects of sun and environment. A bountiful and beneficial skincare hero loaded with protective nutrients. So no, it does not help me out in identifying the scent. But look, I'm gonna do this. It's so thick. It has a little bit of a, I don't know if I can capture this. It has a little bit of a wiggle to it. Let's just put a little bit on. I know, I'm gonna be so moisturized when this is done. Oh, that smells just good. It's just fresh and clean. You could put it on under your other perfumes, I think, because it's just green. So I think probably it would blend with a lot. And underneath it says a mega moisturizing triple threat. You bet. Cocoa butter, shea butter, and mango butter create our treatment trifecta to instantly hydrate and soothe parched pores. Coconut oil, rich in fatty acids, intensifies the moisturizing benefits, resulting in a formula that is perfect for dry skin and everyday use. Your skin is comforted, coddled, and super smooth. And this has a $32 value. All right, next out of the box, we have greeting cards. We get greeting cards periodically, and I love that. These are so cute. So this says, "Go Buck Wild" on your birthday, and it has deer on the front. How cute is that? I thought for a second when I saw this, it was like a Christmas card. And I was like, a Christmas card in the fall box? This one says, "Rock On." How cute. So it's like vintage looking, but rock on. And this one has a lot of gnomes looking like they're having a very good time. And it says, "Where hipster gnomes gather. Yes, more small batch beer and handcrafted sausages for all." Maybe you have to know hipsters for that to be funny, but these are super cute this season. I will use every one of them. And those have a $16.50 value. Next out of the box, another wrapped present. Oh, that's so, oh. How much do I need this in my room? It's a candle, but it goes with my room. Probably blends too much, right? It's so pretty though. It's lavender and the inside is kind of orangish. It's from that new Infinite She line. Infinite She line. Find your fire past the torch candle. Ginger flower, honeyed amber, and passion fruit. That sounds lovely. Oh, and it's, oh my goodness. I looked at this and I thought, oh, it's probably gonna have a very spring scent to it because it's in, oh look, it says Infinite She. It's in the purple, but it isn't. It's lovely. It will be perfect because of that ginger. It's, oh wow. I cannot wait to use this. If you got this box, let me know. Is this the candle that you received? I like this well enough, I would order it. It smells incredible. Wow. And the paperwork says it is the exclusive mini Find Your Fire candle, new from Infinite She, $20 value. Oh, and I just noticed, because I try not to read ahead on the card, but that was the very last one. And at the bottom of the card, it says we have a $204.50 value. And I think they promise that each season you will have at least a $200 value. Next out of the box, and one of my favorite things, I discovered this from Tokyo Milk, and now I purchase it on the regular. It's a Tokyo Milk soap. This is one of the smaller ones, cocktail size. I buy the, do I have one up here? No. I have a little bit, mostly like I said, hand creams of my stuff up here. I usually buy the bigger ones, but this is a nice size too. This will be a bath soap for me. They probably intend it to set sink side, but it is, I mean, I don't know if you can see it. It's more than big enough to be a bath soap, but the ones that I buy are like, I've had them in the box before. I'll put a video up. This says that it is number 20, finest perfumed soap. Oh, it smells good. It smells just really clean. There's not much else going on to it. It smells kind of like, you know, soap. But there's something about her soaps that I just love. They get you clean without drying you too much. I love the scents. They are there for you, but they don't linger so much that they would ruin if you were putting on perfume. They last. I'm sure they're triple milled. Does it talk about that? They last forever. I mean, the big ones, they last a very long time. This says it is the finest perfume soap, and it has a $10 value. Next out, I do love unwrapping these gifts. Oh, we have a bath soap. Oh, this one's better. It's salt. We received one of these before, and it was like a milk bath, and there was absolutely nothing wrong with it. But because they're just corked, it managed to eep out a little bit. I just cleaned it up, and it worked absolutely fine. But this one is bath salt, and it has the little spoon. How cute is that? It is the Cottage Greenhouse, a relaxing bath soak, sugar beet and blossom, Botanic Beauty Market. Oh, it smells really nice. Fresh and clean. I can smell it through the cork, so I don't even have to open it. I like that a lot. The paperwork says that this is exclusive sugar beet and blossom bath soak from the Cottage Greenhouse, and it has a $12 value. Well, I think I'm going to be putting a couple of scoops of this in a bath this evening. I love the look of this jar. It makes me a little nervous because I have an old porcelain tub. It makes me a little nervous having these things sitting on the tub, but they're so pretty. All right, and last out of the box, I have, oh, it's pretty. Yay, it's shower gel. I love that they send shower gels almost every season, if not every season, because like I've said, probably so many times you guys are like, okay, we get it. I go through this stuff. I roll right through it. This is number 22 Wish Sugared Pastille Shower Gel. Well, we're smelling it. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand so we can get a good whiff. They're usually, like this one is, they're usually just clear gels. This one has a really subtle scent. That was kind of the theme of this box, I think. A lot of our scents were kind of dialed down, and I like it. While I like her really pretty forward floral scents, this box, everything was a little more on the down low, which is nice because if you're trying to blend it with your own perfumes or that kind of thing, you want something that's not overpowering. This is very nice. It's just kind of got a slight sweet scent. I can't wait to try it in the shower. Yeah, I like this one a lot. This is another thing that I would absolutely buy again because I love the Lalia shower gels, and this scent, like I said, it's not going to compete with anything you're wearing. Love it. And it's, does that say 8 fluid ounces. I think I've said this before too. That strikes me as more than 8 ounces, and now it makes me question my life about this. And look, see all the bees? It's just, I just love her products. This says that it has a $22 value. That's the Margot Elena Fall 2021 box. I wish that, I will put a link below just to the website if you'd like, but I wish I could offer something like a discount, but they don't give any of those out. They sell out. This fall one already sold out. I will check when I'm putting this up and let you know right here if it's still available to sign up for winter. They went through a period there where you had to sign up like 2 seasons in advance. So I will check out winter. If it is available and something you just have your heart set on, although you have to pay when you choose it, I would go ahead and choose it because it By the time the first spoilers come out, it's usually sold out or sells out within a day or two of that. So this was number 16. I have to think that I've been with her definitely since the single digits, I think. And this said, a new beauty is in the air. As the days get shorter and the air more crisp, we invite you to sit and savor the change with this fall-inspired collection. Full of feel-good, comforting treats, we hope these favorites continue to inspire moments of beauty throughout the season. So in this box for $59.99 plus $6.95, and I know, it keeps getting worse. You have to buy it now. You're not getting it for 3 months. It's $59.99, $6.95 shipping, and it only ships in the contiguous US. We received the Lalia Perfumed Shower Gel, the Cottage Greenhouse Japanese Plum and White Tea Body Butter, the Cottage Greenhouse Relaxing Bath Soak in Sugar Beet and Blossom. From her new range, we have the Infinite She. I have a roller ball and a candle, and they both smell spectacular. The roller ball, it smells so good on me. I know, that sounds like a weird flex, but it's not. I hope it would smell good on everybody. But you know, sometimes you put perfume on, you smell it, and then you put it on, and you think, oh, this smells so good on. I love it. We have the Tokyo Milk Soap, the Tokyo Milk Hand Cream, these 3 adorable cards, and the Dream White Tea and Honeysuckle Dry Body Oil. Let me know below what you think. And again, if you get the box, did you get a different scented candle? I love this. I really like the new line. Like I've said in the past, with Margot Elena, I've always said, if you don't love florals, it's probably not the line for you. But with this new Infinite She, I can confidently say, even if you don't love florals, these are both fantastic. I like them a lot. Thanks for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Guess what I'm doing next? Go ahead, guess. I'm doing an advent calendar. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming up out in season, and I'll see you really soon.